Hello everyone, this is Carol. And today we are going to show you how to make a cute pet video like this. If you're interested in this topic, keep watching. Well, this tutorial includes 2 episodes in total, and this video will focus on some basic skills so that you could quickly start your pet video production. And if you want to learn more advanced tips and content on this one, stay tuned for the second episode. And be sure to click the link in the description box down below to free download VideoProc Vlogger. If you want to produce interesting and lovely pet videos, the first thing you'll need is some cute pet footage. We can record some cute daily vlog with our pets, or ask your friends to share their own videos, or find some clips online. We can shoot more footage on regular basis and save them in orders so that we can quickly locate them when needed. Once you have selected your video clips, open VideoProc Vlogger and create a new sequence. Then click here to import them into the media library. Next, you can arrange your order here in the timeline, like this. Then, click here to split the video or use the shortcut keys. Or you can just select a clip and drag the ends to adjust the length of the clip, like this. If you want a split screen or picture-in-picture effect, you can put a video on the overlay track and click here to crop it a little bit. Once you have finished the rough cut on the order and duration of the video, you can add music. Next, let's add a piece of music to the video. Here I suggest if it is a daily video content, you can choose some relaxing music. But if it is recording of some highlights, you can adjust the music based on your own needs. Same as importing, you can click here to select the music you want to import. Drag it to the audio track. The volume level can be adjusted in the inspector on the right. You can use fade in or fade out effect to switch between music. Here, I shorten the music because it is too long. If you want to know how to control your background music, go check out the link in the upper right corner to watch a related tutorial made in our channel. If you need to overlay different music or manage them in separate tracks, you can click here to add multiple audio tracks. If you need to temporarily mute the music of a track, you can click here and enable them again when needed. Apart from music, Sound effect is also one of the most important elements that could improve your video. For example, in the opening, I add a cute kitten sound effect to the cat scene, which gives the scene a more interesting definition. Note that the sound effect and the picture must stay compatible. If the sound effect and the picture don't match, the result may feel kind of out of place, like this. Same as the audio, import them and put them in the corresponding position. Adjust the right volume and adding fade in, fade out effects, and then you're done. If you need to do some cut, you can also click here or use the shortcut keys. Or just drag the two ends of the audio with your mouse. If you want to just create a simple pet video, using these tips that we show in this video would be enough. But if you want to improve the creativity or add more fun, stay tuned for the next video where we'll show you how to do the color mixing, add text effects, dynamic stickers, photo effects, and special effects. Anyway, don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. We'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!